Well, hey everybody, I'm headed about an hour and a half north out of the cities, and we're going to go check out the Mille Lacs Off-Highway Vehicle Park. Opened up in 2016, I believe. I've never been there, so this is actually going to be the first time for a bunch of us to visit it. So it should be fun. Stick around, and I can't wait to see what it all has to offer. Prior to heading up, we had all taken a look at the park's map online. We were optimistic that there'd be some muddy trails and some challenging obstacles. We knew it wasn't a large OHV park compared to others in Minnesota, but we were excited nonetheless to check it out. The playground area is just off of the parking lot, and Nick was eager to take his frontier over the half-buried tires course. There you go. It's your back. He's hung up back here. Even after airing down and trying a bunch of times, the slick tires just couldn't grab, so he backed down to give someone else another shot. I knew if the Titan Swap Frontier struggled with the tires, then my truck was not going to have any luck at all. So I was looking forward to driving the loop around the park. Back in 2015, the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association and the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources approached Mille Lacs County with the idea of opening an off-highway vehicle park in the area. Over the next 7 years, the county worked with the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association leadership and DNR staff to acquire the land just south of Onamia along Highway 169 and develop the property into an off-highway vehicle park. Meanwhile, back at the tires, this maroon Rubicon was going to give it a shot. Unfortunately, he too struggled with getting traction and backed down for another person to give it a try. Henry pulled up with his Gladiator, and with the addition of a few tires laying up front and some good momentum, he was the first to get up and over the obstacle. We thought the shorter wheelbase of this Jeep would have helped, but he still got hung up. A word of advice: if you come, bring a friend and make sure you have a winch.
Is there a right way and a wrong way to do this, or is it just...
There it is. This trail winds its way through the OHV Park, which is nearly 315 acres in size. It's an easy access park offering a little something for every kind of off-roader. This trail is designated for novice and intermediate skill levels with the playground area for advanced skills. The 3-mile loop is pretty easy all around, and any stock 4-wheel drive vehicle should be fine. Just be mindful of the stumps that can make the trail a bit narrow at times. Plans are in place to expand the OHV park, and we're looking forward to seeing the changes to hopefully make this a full day and challenging 4-wheel drive destination. Oh!
Yeah, dip right in the middle of it.
There you go.
Now.
There it is.
Yeah.
There it is. You're taking it with you. I love it. So no one was really sure if these concrete culverts were part of the expansion plan or already laying here to play on. Either way, Nick thought he'd give them a shot. Unfortunately, they got a bit narrow and he slipped off, and a winch was needed for the rescue. Fortunately, however, the Frontier was recovered with no damage. Henry gave him a shot, and he had just enough clearance, and the Gladiator was just narrow enough to roll over the cement cylinders. Not much. Now straighten. Oh. You're good. You can go a little passenger in the front. Watch that rear. Yeah, there he goes. All right, here it is. Here's the final drop. Yeah, good job. Woohoo! Well, all right, we're headed back to the home, back to the Twin Cities. So what about the Mille Lacs OHV Vehicle Park? It's new, brand new, and it looks like they're working to make some improvements to make it a little more challenging. For my truck, it was fine. If you are super into obstacles, there are some good obstacles. The loop around the park is a little short, not very challenging, it's kind of flat. The other guys had mentioned that it would really be fun in the winter, so this is a great park probably to come back when there's a little bit of snow, a little bit of mud, and I think it'd be more challenging. If you're into, again, climbing over tires and concrete culvert stuff, man, it offers that, and it's close to the cities. So I don't think you're going to go to the park for all-day off-road fun, but if you're looking for a nice way to get off the pavement for a couple hours, it's definitely worth it, especially if you're headed to something like Spider Lake or your cabin or something up north. And it's only, you know, just over an hour or so out of the Twin Cities, so it's not a huge commitment to go to. So I'd come back in the winter, again, with a little bit of light snow. I think that loop would be kind of fun. That is it. I had a good time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, and a share would be great too. Thanks for subscribing as well. And look for the next video, and I will see you all down the road. Take it easy. Thanks much.